Are you waiting for that one big break, that sudden stroke of luck, or that perfect moment to finally start building the life you truly desire? We often get caught up chasing grand gestures and dramatic transformations, believing success arrives in a single, blinding flash. But what if the most powerful force for change isn't a lightning strike, but the quiet, consistent rhythm of your daily choices? We see the highlight reels, the finished product, the achieved goal, the public triumph. It's easy to assume it happened quickly, effortlessly. This perception can be discouraging, making our own slow, steady progress feel insignificant. But the truth is, behind almost every significant achievement is a long, often invisible history of small, deliberate actions. Success isn't a lottery ticket, it's a building project. It's constructed brick by brick, habit by habit, decision by decision. The foundation is laid in the quiet moments when no one is watching, through the choices you make when faced with the easy path versus the slightly harder, more rewarding one. Jim Rohn's simple observation holds a universe of truth. What's easy to do is also easy not to do. Think about it. It's easy to read for 15 minutes. It's also easy not to read for 15 minutes. It's easy to plan your top 3 priorities for the day. It's also easy not to plan them. The difference between those who achieve their potential and those who don't often boils down to this simple principle. It's not about monumental effort every single day, but about consistently choosing to do the small, necessary things, even when they feel trivial or inconvenient. Motivation is a wonderful spark, but it's discipline that provides the sustained fuel. Relying solely on feeling motivated is like waiting for perfect weather to sail. You'll spend most of your time in the harbor. True progress comes from setting a clear direction and applying consistent discipline to move forward, regardless of your mood. Your small choices today are like tiny course corrections. Each one, positive or negative, subtly shifts your trajectory. Over time, these small shifts accumulate, determining whether you end up miles off course or exactly where you intended to be. Small things aren't just powerful for good, they can also work against you. Failure rarely arrives as a sudden, catastrophic collapse. More often, it's the slow, almost imperceptible erosion caused by a series of small, poor decisions, or more commonly, the decision not to act. It's the daily postponement of that important task, the skipped workout, the unread article, the difficult conversation avoided. These aren't usually conscious acts of self-sabotage. They stem from choosing comfort, ease, or distraction over the slight discomfort required for growth. Each time you choose the easy way out, you create a subtle drift. You postpone the necessary effort, telling yourself you'll do it later. This constant choosing of comfort over challenge leads to a gradual but significant movement away from your goals, your potential, and the person you aspire to become. This drift is insidious because it happens in small increments. One skipped day doesn't seem like a big deal, but one skipped day becomes 2, then a week, then a month. The momentum is lost, and the gap between your current reality and your desired future widens, not due to a single failure, but due to countless small neglects. The incredible news is that this same principle of accumulation works just as powerfully in your favor. The formula for profound personal transformation is simple, though it requires consistent effort. Small disciplines plus time plus purpose. Transformation, it's the consistent application of small, positive actions guided by a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Think about the impact of reading for just 15 minutes a day. Over a year, that's over 90 hours of learning. Consider the effect of a 20-minute daily walk on your health and energy levels over months, or the impact of making one extra sales call, or writing a one paragraph towards your book every single day. Individually, these small actions might seem insignificant. You might think, what difference will reading for just 15 minutes make? But that's the wrong perspective. The power isn't in the single action, it's in the consistent, relentless repetition. As Jim Rohn wisely put it, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. It's not about mastering complex strategies initially, but about consistently applying the basic fundamentals that move you forward, day in and day out. Life doesn't magically change through wishing, hoping, or dreaming alone. It changes through building. It changes through the deliberate, consistent construction of positive habits, one small decision at a time. Your habits are the architecture of your future. Every time you choose the productive action over the distraction, the healthy choice over the unhealthy one, the learning opportunity over the passive consumption, you are adding another brick to the foundation of your extraordinary life. We live in an age overflowing with inspiration. We consume podcasts, watch motivational videos, attend webinars, and read countless articles on self-improvement. We feel inspired, energized, and ready to change the world, or at least our own lives. But often, there's a significant gap between that feeling of inspiration and the actual application of consistent effort. We know what we should do. We understand the principles of consistency, discipline, and habit formation. Yet we still find ourselves delaying, procrastinating, and waiting. One of the most common and insidious traps we fall into is waiting for the perfect time to start. We tell ourselves we'll begin that new habit when things are less busy at work, when we finish this project, when the kids are older, when we feel more ready, or when the circumstances are just right. But here's the empowering truth. The perfect time never arrives on its own. It must be created through action. Waiting for ideal conditions is a subtle form of self-sabotage. It's an excuse to remain comfortable, to avoid the initial discomfort and uncertainty that comes with starting something new. Action is the critical bridge. It's the vital connection between the fantasy of your dreams and the reality of transformation. Without action, inspiration remains just a fleeting feeling. Knowledge remains inert information, and potential remains untapped. It's the small, consistent steps you take. The email sent, the page written, the 5-minute tidy up, the healthy meal prepared, that turn potential into tangible progress. Each action, no matter how small, builds momentum and reinforces your commitment to your goals. If you want different results in your life, whether it's better health, career advancement, deeper relationships, or personal fulfillment, you need different habits. It sounds simple, and in principle, it is. But implementing change can feel challenging. The good news is that changing your life doesn't require you to overhaul everything all at once. Trying to change too much too fast is overwhelming and often leads to burnout and giving up. The most effective approach is to focus on the power of small, incremental changes. Your life is built from the thousands of small decisions you make every single day. Your attitude when you wake up, the first thing you look at on your phone, the conversation you choose to have or avoid, the 10 minutes you dedicate to learning something new, the decision to take the stairs instead of the elevator, the choice of what to eat for lunch. These are the fundamental building blocks of your reality. Take a moment to honestly assess your daily routine. What small decisions are you making consistently? Are they steering you towards the life you desire or subtly pushing you away from it? Be courageous enough to identify the small neglects, the habitual postponements, and the choices that prioritize immediate comfort over long-term growth. Now, shift your focus from identifying the problem to designing the solution. Create a list, not just of your big dreams and goals, but of the daily disciplines that will make those dreams a reality. What are the small, consistent actions that, if done every day, would inevitably move you closer to where you want to be? Don't make this list overwhelming. Start small. Choose just one positive discipline that you know deep down would make a significant difference in your life if you did it consistently. It could be reading for 15 minutes, exercising for 20 minutes, planning your top 3 tasks for the day, reaching out to one potential client, meditating for 10 minutes, or spending 5 minutes journaling. Once you've identified that one small, powerful discipline, make a firm commitment to implement it every single day for the next 30 days. The size of the decision itself is less important than the strength of your commitment to it. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Stick with it even on days you don't feel like it, especially on those days. Those are the moments when you build true resilience and reinforce the habit loop. Don't break the chain. If you miss a day, don't despair. Just get back on track the very next day. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Consider this powerful perspective. Discipline weighs ounces. Regret weighs tons. Choosing the discomfort of small, consistent effort, now the early alarm, the skipped dessert, the difficult conversation, the focused work session, is infinitely lighter than carrying the heavy burden of what could have been later in life. The pain of discipline is temporary and leads to growth. The pain of regret is persistent and leads to stagnation. Choose the lighter weight. Choose the path of proactive effort over the burden of passive wishing. Success is not primarily a matter of luck, innate talent, or perfect timing. While those factors can play a role, they are rarely the deciding ones. Success is the inevitable outcome of purposeful, small decisions, consistently applied over time. It is the result of choosing discipline over ease, action over procrastination, and growth over comfort, day after day. You don't need to be the most talented or the luckiest. You just need to be consistent. Leverage the power of small, repeatable actions to build unstoppable momentum towards your goals. Stop passively drifting through your days, reacting to whatever comes your way. Take proactive control of your life, starting with the smallest possible step. Embrace the discomfort that inevitably comes with building new habits and breaking old, unhelpful ones. View each small step you take, each completed discipline, as planting a seed of greatness in the garden of your life. Nurture those seeds with consistent effort and watch them grow. Consistency, not luck, is the gardener that allows that seed to grow and eventually bloom into the vibrant, fulfilling life you envision. Transformation isn't about achieving one massive goal, it's about the person you become. Through the daily process of building positive habits and consistently choosing growth. As Jim Rohn also said, work harder on yourself than you do on your job or anything else. Your personal improvement is the most valuable investment you can make. Your personal growth, fueled by these small, consistent disciplines, is the foundation upon which everything else in your life is built. As you grow stronger, more disciplined, and more aligned with your purpose, everything around you will begin to improve as well. Your relationships will deepen, your career will flourish, your health will improve, your impact on the world will expand. All of these benefits are the natural ripple effect of the disciplined effort you invest in yourself, one small decision at a time. You have the power within you to shape your future, starting right now. What is one small decision you will make today that will move you closer to your desired future? It doesn't have to be monumental. It just has to be a step forward. Share your reflection. Commit to that one small step, starting today. And if this message helped you see things differently, consider subscribing to Wisdom for Life. This space exists for those who choose intention over impulse, growth over comfort, one step at a time. Let's build extraordinary lives together.